So here we got this dirty area here. You can see the carpet is filthy. It's used for, as you can see, an entrance into the home. We're gonna have to pre-vacuum it first. I've got another vacuum I'm gonna use. I don't wanna use the residential vacuum for this one. I'll keep you posted. Maybe if I have time, I'll take care of some of these leaves. And that's the old central vac system. I wonder if it's operational. Doubtful. Obviously not. Okay. Now we did pick up an ample amount of soil with this two-way bonnet. If you look deep down into that bonnet, you could see dirt particles. I did pre-vacuum, but you could see the dry and particulate soils that it did absorb also. See, it's a big difference, right? A lot of wear on this carpet, but you can see it's a lot better, much better. Stains are gone, spots are gone, and the carpets are almost dry. Soil extraction transfer technology method works.